Hi, this is 7225F, and this is our robot intake explanation video. So simply, we're a Cata bot, so our intake is extremely simple. That's one reason we decided to go with Cata in the first place. So for our intake, we have 2-inch flex wheels at the bottom, and our next level is 3-inch flex wheels. The 3-inch flex wheels are powered by a 100 RPM motor, just one single motor. And so that's a red insert, if you're wondering. 36 tooth gear, which is dyed, and a 12 tooth metal gear at the bottom. They're flush, so nice and smooth intake. So these 3-inch flex wheels, sorry, it's really hard to see because we have 2 Lexan plates, but they just have a gear. This is a 6 tooth at the bottom. That one's also dyed. This one isn't dyed yet. We're gonna dye it for Worlds, not for State. And this gear ratio here is about 80 RPM, I'm pretty sure. Haven't calculated it out yet, but I would assume it's around 80. These are 4-inch flex wheels. These are really nice because you want the roller mech to be inside of the bot, in my opinion. So this provides us with like enough clearance to get the roller mech in autonomous mode very easily. And this gives us a big margin of error while we're driving. I've noticed the smaller ones have a lot more torque, but these are a lot nicer just because of the variability that you can get while you're driving. So back down here, our intake, obviously it has a little bit of give to it. We used to have rubber bands on here and it would make them go in quite well if you've seen in a YouTube short before. But we decided to take them off because of the weight. Because we used to have I think it's 1.625 is what I'm pretty sure these are. We had it on the whole entire intake, which was a lot lighter than these 2-inch ones that we replaced it with. And now it's got quite a bit more weight to it. An interesting thing is the way that it goes up, it doesn't release the tension too much, so we don't even have a tensioner down here. So it's just heavy duty axle that goes through. Just enough give, and they're stopped by those pieces of metal. And that is not the sole purpose for this. This also only allows 1 disc to go in at a time. So those 3 stacks, just be able to move them and run them over. And when they get knocked over in autonomous, it makes the intake suffer less. We don't really have too many intake issues. The only thing is our fields get really dirty really fast, so these flex wheels will get not so grippy, so you need to clean those. Right now, our solution to doing that quickly is to get a dog or hair or lint roller type thing and just spin the intake and move it along as you go, which I highly recommend that because it's very quick. That is our intake explanation video. Thank you for watching.